This week we've had some crazy chaos at sea, and this is your cruise news update. First up, we have Royal Caribbean's Harmony of the Seas, which lost power and propulsion in the middle of the ocean on the 4th of July. Now, this did happen in the middle of the night, so it's quite likely many passengers weren't even aware of the situation as they were likely asleep. But it did last for 3 hours, which will cause the ship to arrive at its home port in Galveston a few hours late. What do you think? What if you were on this cruise? Next up, we have a passenger gone missing from their cruise ship. But if you like this cruise news, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, and leave us a comment below. So, a cruise passenger traveling on an Alaska cruise went out for an excursion during the day on their own and decided to go for a hike and never made it back to the ship. This passenger was on board the NCL Bliss, and she did at least tell other passengers she was traveling with what her plan was, so authorities were notified immediately when she didn't make it back. Unfortunately, in some sad news, they did find her body, and she didn't make it to the hike she was planning to do. There's no indication yet to what went wrong, but it's just a reminder that when traveling, it's best to stay together and in groups. And anybody ready for a beer? Heineken has announced, in an effort to improve the quality and speed of service on cruise ship bars for their draft beer, they're implementing a training program to over 1,500 bar staff on cruise ships throughout Europe and America. Get ready for a superior beer on your next cruise. What do you think about these cruise news stories? Comment below and let us know what you want to hear about most.